Alright guys, we're gonna go over making an iced matcha. So for a 16 ounce, we're gonna use 1 level scoop. Actually for either size, 1 level scoop. But we're gonna start with a 16 ounce. Wanna add a little bit of milk to your matcha powder. And for the 16 ounce, want to add a little bit of milk to the bottom of your cup because you'll end up a little bit short. And so when we're whisking our matchas, we want to make sure it's incorporated really, really well. And then I'm going to lift it up and check the bottom and make sure that it's all incorporated, which it is not, so I'm going to stir it some more. Alright, and it looks good now. So we're going to add our scoop of ice. And our scoop of ice we want to take up about 2/3 to 3/4 of the cup. So not a tiny bit of ice, not filling it all the way with ice. And then we're going to fill milk all the way to the top. Put your lid on, and then you just want to shake it up till it gets kind of foamy. There's your 16 ounce matcha, which perfectly fits in the 16 ounce cup. And then make sure when you are storing these jars that they are either upside down or have a lid on them so they cannot catch dust inside. So let's move on to our 12 ounce size. Again, 1 level scoop. And for the 12 ounce size, you're not going to add any to your cup. You're just going to add it to the mason jar, and then you're going to thoroughly whisk it until it's all incorporated. And then you want to check the bottom. Looks good. So we're going to add a scoop of ice. And for the 12 ounce, you're going to fill it up just to the top. There, put your lid on and shake it until it's frothy. And always make sure that we're rinsing out our mason jars and storing them in such a way that they cannot collect dust. And there is your 12 ounce iced matcha.